Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the video editor on your PlayStation 5. So if we're just on the home screen, go all the way to the right, go to the game library. And this is called Sharefactory. So just open this up right here, and you can use this to edit your videos. Now another way to access this is if we go to our clip, and go to Media Gallery, we can edit it under here as well. So we can press Options on the video clip now. Go to Edit in Sharefactory Studio. Right there. So this is going to be a little bit different than editing it from the quick menu or the share screen. This will give you a lot more different options and details to customize it further with the video editor. So we can just go in here and make sure you export this to the gallery actually. So you can press options when you're done and go to export to gallery right here. And it'll put it back into your media gallery. So if you go to the edit options under here, it's going to give you a limited amount of stuff, but a lot of times I just use this to cut the clip so I can make it shorter so I know where to actually edit it. Otherwise, you're just going to have a lot of data on your PlayStation for no reason, so you can just replace the original, copy over it, and then you're good. But you do have some other options like to create a cover image. You might want to do that under here. So if you're going to be uploading to YouTube, that's another thing. You want to generate a thumbnail. So if you want to add a thumbnail, just add it to the front right here. So you can add a screenshot. So if you come up with a thumbnail under the picture editor, you can just add it to the front simply like this. Press options, go to generate thumbnail. And that's going to be the thumbnail now, wherever this is located on the timeline. And then once you take a picture for the thumbnail, you can simply delete this now off your PlayStation. And then you can just go through and edit your video. So usually I just go to the split option. So if I press, was it X, or let's go to square, go to split clip, and just split the clip where you want to, and delete all the other parts of your clip that you don't need anymore. And just do this a couple different times in different locations. And just keep your gameplay and the action parts in your clip. Press options, and then you can actually generate this now and export it to your gallery. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.